Hey everyone, welcome back. A huge thank you to all of you who have subscribed. Our little community here on YouTube keeps growing, and I absolutely love seeing all the new faces and you guys joining in with the comments. So we are officially on Utopia of the Seas, and I'll be honest, I wasn't totally sure what to expect from this ship, but wow. It had a lot to offer, so let's kick things off with a room tour. Now, those of you who know me know I'm usually all about that ocean balcony life, but there's been so much buzz and debate about these interior balconies, I had to see for myself what all that hype was about and let you know. So let me tell you, this room did not disappoint. It's gorgeous. You still get that natural light, plus you can actually step outside and overlook, in our case, Central Park. From our balcony, you can see the slides above and sometimes even hear the whistle from the lifeguards up at the pools. So I would keep that in mind if you are considering booking one of these rooms. In just a moment, I will let you hear outside so you can kind of get a better idea of the noise level, at least at this moment. Now here's where it gets interesting. No ocean waves this time. Instead, during the day, you'll hear a bit of activity from above, and at night, you'll get live music drifting up from Central Park. Violins, pianos, singers, and honestly, it's actually really beautiful. So, is this room for you? That depends on what kind of vibe you're after. I'll show you what it looks like both in the day and the night so that you can decide here in just a few moments. In the mornings around 9 a.m., the music starts back up, but before that, you might spot little birds flying through the park. Peaceful, calm, and it's different. You hear them tweeting away. We enjoyed our coffee downstairs at the cafe every morning. It was something we absolutely enjoyed. So you have USB, and you have that on this light. And well, apparently that's burned out, but you have a USB in that. The lights. So in case you just can't tell, I just shut that door, actually locked it. And this is how much noise you hear. Now this is embarkation. This is a lot of noise, a lot of celebration. This is what you hear. As soon as I unlock the door, you can hear the difference. It's a good sized room. So what a difference. What you just heard was as the evening sets, the music changes, the vibe changes. In this particular instance, there were violins, there was someone who sang. The mood and the vibe during the day definitely change. You might ask, would I book this room again? Well, we will dive into that later in this series on the Utopia of the Seas. So make sure you are subscribed so that you don't miss that and everything else. But I'll say this. As much as I enjoyed the Central Park views and the vibes there at times, I still hear those ocean waves calling me. There was so much to do and to see, and if you chose to be a part of on this ship, I did my very best to capture not only the experience, but everyone else's. So hopefully it helps you decide if this is something that you would look forward to, that you would enjoy. As I say, there is a ship for everyone, and there's a reason for that. We don't all travel the same way, and we might not all have the same idea of what is fun or what we want to do when we cruise. So, my job is to get you the information so that you can make a decision that you are happy with when you cruise. We've got so much more to explore on this mega ship, so stay tuned. Travel more, live life, find joy, and until the next adventure. See you soon.